Hello everyone, this is Brandon again, all the way from Chile, and today I finally got my GameForce handheld, and I'm gonna be showing it to you, so I'll see you there. So we can see here that the device comes with this really nice bag that we can use to take the device everywhere. And now we can just open it and check it out. And here it is. It comes with this really nice cloth that we can use to clean the screen. It comes with the instructions in Chinese and in English, so that's good. Here you can see that it is in Chinese, and in the other side it comes with the instructions in English. You can find all the key functions and everything there. And here it is, the device. It's a little hard to take out the bag, but nothing crazy. And here it is. It has this really nice color. You can see the SD card, the micro SD card port, the shoulder buttons, and the power on button. Everything seems to be there. It's really nice to touch. The buttons are perfect size. The pads feel really good, and overall it looks pretty fine. Then you have the USB-C port to charge it, the input too for the audio, and if we turn it on, it says that we need the micro SD card. So let's turn it off, and it looks pretty cool. So yep, as you can see it's a small device and it fits perfectly in our hands. It also comes with the USB to USB-C cable, so we can charge the device. So it looks pretty nice, but let's go run it. Let's see a little gameplay.
Select your player. Select man.
So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoy it, and we'll be doing a couple more videos soon about this little device right here. So I'll see you there. Have a good one.